In this video, we'll look at the new event list filters in Closed Caption Creator. To open the filter view, click the filter icon near the bottom of the event list. You can expand the view by clicking and dragging the resize handle. We've introduced a number of new filters, including errors, missing timecode, forced narratives, and non-forced narratives, as well as events that have been failed, approved, marked as requiring review, or left incomplete. You can also filter by line count or by speaker. When a filter is active, the filter icon stays highlighted, and a count shows how many events are visible out of the total number in your group. To clear all filters, click the X icon. Filters are a great way to focus your work. For example, you can view only the events that have already been reviewed by another user, so you can concentrate on what still needs to be done. Filters are also useful for selecting specific events. Let's say I want to move all of my two-line events to the 12th line. With the two-line filter active, I'll right-click and choose Select All. Then I'll go to Format, Caption Position, change the position from bottom to other, and set it to 12. Just like that, all of my two-line events are now on the 12th line. When you're finished, click the Clear button to remove all filters and close the filter panel.